Hi! In front of me is Nokia X10 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings. Now choose Notifications over here and select App Settings. Finally, you need to choose Most Recent and tap on the best option for you. Most recent, most frequent, all apps, or turned off. I will go with all apps. Now just tap on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications from, in my case, Amazon Shopping. As you can see after that, all notifications from this app are now blocked. In order to enable them, just click on the switcher one more time. You can always just tap on one of your apps over here instead, and then manage all notifications by clicking on this switcher next to all app notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!